Open Automator in the Applications folder and start a new document. Choose Quick Action. On the right-hand side, make sure that Workflow Receives is set to no input. Then, on the left, start typing in the search field to find Change System Appearance. Use your cursor to drag Change System Appearance over to the main window on the right. Make sure the Change Appearance is set to Toggle Light/Dark. After that, go to File, then Save at the top of the screen and save your workflow with a good name. This will be the name that appears in your system menu, so make it clear what it is. To assign a keyboard shortcut to it, go to System Settings, Keyboard, then Keyboard Shortcuts. Click App Shortcuts and then the small plus icon to start a new entry. Make sure Application is set to All Applications. Under Menu Title, enter the exact same name that you saved your Automator workflow under. Then tab down to Keyboard Shortcut and enter your desired shortcut. If the shortcut is already being used by another app, selecting it here won't override the other app. If you now check your Services menu, you'll find your new Automator workflow, along with the keyboard shortcut assigned to it. You can either click the Services menu entry or use your new keyboard shortcut. One thing to mention though is that when you use the Automator workflow for the first time in each app, it will ask you for permission to run. But after the first time, it won't ask again.